Hi, my name is Didun Obilanade and I am the AGP Program Manager for the AGP Board and the AGP Manufacturing Supply Chain Working Group. So, I started off my career with doing A-levels in maths, physics and biology, as well as the Welsh Baccalaureate in my comprehensive school in Caerleon in South Wales. I followed that by following a general engineering degree at Durham University, and then after that I completed a Masters in Astronautical and Space Engineering at Cranfield University. During my time I did a semester in Ohio University as part of the Space Studies programme. So my career began from a very young age. I was always very interested in aerospace, and so I kind of worked through those A-levels in order to achieve that goal of getting to university, and then followed that up by topping up my knowledge with my Masters and with my international program. So I joined GKN straight after university as part of the GKN Global Graduate Scheme. During that graduate scheme, I had 3 rotations within it, starting off at the National Composite Centre, where I learned about bonding of composite material and bonding of metallic wing structures. Following that, I then did a placement at the Luton Transparencies Department, working on the manufacturing methods for one of the polycarbonate manufacturing processes. And then completing that, I then worked in the GKN Additive Manufacturing Department, working on the laser powder bed technology, understanding and design rules. Once I completed my grad scheme, I then was fortunate enough to be given a full-time placement at the Additive Manufacturing Centre in Filton, where I've spent about just under 2 years. And during that time is when I found out about the AGP secondment, and I was always very interested in working in government and understanding how the political spectrum affects the industrial world. And so I jumped at the opportunity. I was very fortunate to be chosen, and for the last just over a year now, I've been working on these variety of AGP activities. So throughout my AGP experience so far, I've had the opportunity to travel all over and visit lots of different areas in the UK, especially in Scotland, where I went to the Women in Aerospace and Aviation Conference and learned about the importance of diversity within our engineering fields. And then I also went to Northern Ireland, where I went to Belfast as part of the AGP Board Away Day and learned all about the work that the Northern Irish government are doing there with the BAEs and with the AGP and ADS. And throughout that, I've enjoyed it greatly, and I've also learned so much about the political spectrum. I learned about how the operation of things like the ATI and how project funding works, and also how by working together as a industrial community in the aerospace industry, how we can truly make the UK one of the most competitive places in the world to do aerospace. And this is all brought about through my interest and love for STEM, having done science and maths at a very young age, and just throwing myself at any opportunity that I found in front of me, such as the Engineering Education Scheme Wales. Those were the great stepping stones that have led me to have this great career so far. I'm looking forward to carrying on my work with the AGP and to see where my engineering career goes from here.